If you're thinking of organizing a Goonj awareness cum collection camp, let me tell you that this is a fun activity, an energetic event where you get to meet a lot of people, you explore new dimensions. For us also, this is a great opportunity to have one-to-one dialogue with people who want to know what we do, how we do. So if you are organizing a camp, this process which we are about to tell you might help you in that. Before we start with the process, we hope that you have taken out time to visit our nearest processing unit to understand our work in depth. If you are in a city where we do not have an office, you can get the information on our website. Our website address is www.goonj.org, or you can get information, so many stories on our Facebook page as well. In a city which doesn't have a Goonj office, please ask for the basic guidelines, publicity material, specific required permissions for accepting monetary contributions, etc. In such a case, we might not be able to provide you the Green by Goonj products, Goonj Ki Gullak and other such things. Given our limited capacities, presence of Team Goonj member might not be possible at the campsite. When you decide to do a Goonj camp, the first step is to decide on a date, which should at least be 2 weeks away from your decision, which also means that you need to look after your priorities and commitments in these 2 weeks and on the day of the camp. Organizing a collection camp is a 3-phase process. 2 weeks of preparation before the camp, on the day of the camp and during the camp, and after the camp. Once the date, time and volunteers are finalized, please ask Team Goonj to register you on Goonj's National Volunteer Register. Make it a point to connect with Team Goonj and local volunteers for publicity of awareness camp. And you can also organize a small volunteer meet where Team Goonj member can come and talk about Goonj's work. Talk to youngsters, housewives, students, senior citizens in your area. Try to identify and connect with the prominent markets, malls, hospitals, food joints, etc. to promote your awareness cum collection camp. Take written permission from local bodies like RWA for holding a camp. Decide on a covered space for organizing a camp. If a covered space is not available, then a shaded place like under a tree where tables and chairs can be arranged on the day of the camp. Don't forget to ask Team Goonj for interesting publicity ideas for the camp. One week before the camp, spread awareness as much as possible. This can be done by placing banners, posters, leaflet at prominent locations. Social media can be used to promote awareness. WhatsApp, email, Facebook can play a vital role in connecting with a larger audience. Volunteers can take up door-to-door campaigning to make people aware of the initiative. By doing this, messages get conveyed directly. One day before the camp, send a final reminder to people. Reminding people is important. This gives seriousness, which is positive for the initiative. Follow up with Goonj team for your specific requirements for the day of the camp. 2-3 groups of volunteers can visit the nearby food joints, bus stands, societies to distribute leaflet. Send final reminder on all social media. Check material needed for the day of the camp, like cash box, products, office bag, table, chair, water, permission letter, etc. On the day of the camp, start setting up camp at least an hour before, and it is really important to have a good display. So for a good display, we should have at least 3 sections. One is the Green by Goonj section, where we keep Green by Goonj products and all. Second is the interaction area. In the interaction area, we have to keep a donation box, some leaflets and some other communication material, a visitor book where we can take entries and all. And third is the material section. In the material section, we can make use of old banners, old maybe bed sheets, cartons and all. We can create labels, we can create separate areas, and we need to motivate people to keep their stuff separately at the designated places. That way a basic sorting will be done. A particular section for kids clothing, a particular section for men clothing, women clothing, utensils, footwear. That way people will contribute it accordingly. You should have Goonj dropping center details with you and prominently highlight the ones which are near to your area, so that if people want to contribute again, they can go to the right place. You should keep banners at a readable distance so that people can read it easily. You should keep Goonj ki Gullak at a noticeable place where people can see it, they can ask about it. Try telling people what is the concept behind Goonj ki Gullak and try to give every contributor one Goonj ki Gullak. If you want to know more about Goonj ki Gullak or Green by Goonj products, you can see some videos on Goonj YouTube channel. You can log on to our website www.goonj.org, or you can talk to us directly. We are available whenever you need us. Once people start coming to the camp, make sure that they make an entry in the visitor logbook. You should interact with people. Interaction is really important. So at least 2 people should be there to manage the front table. So they greet people when they come. With monetary contributions, you need to be more careful. People should contribute money in the donation box of Goonj or in the envelopes given by Goonj with proper information. In case of any particular query where you are not sure what to answer, you can ask the visitor to connect to us directly. They can connect us via call. They can call us on 011-4140-1216 or 2697-2351. They can also write a mail on mail@goonj.org. After the camp, pack all communication and display material carefully and return that to Goonj. Put materials in carton and bags. Pack breakable material separately. If possible, label the bags. If you can't send the collected material immediately, please store it in a safe, clean, dry place. For transportation, speak to Team Goonj before the camp so that possible arrangements can be done, or we can speak with the reliable transporter for the same. While loading material, heavy material should be put first. Make sure to fill Goonj's feedback form after the camp. Let us know what worked, what didn't work during the camp, any key volunteer to contact in future, or any key highlights of the camp. Do not organize a camp without written permission from Goonj. Do involve Goonj in any write-up or information being sent to any local or national news. Thank you for volunteering with Goonj. For any specific information, you can log on to our website www.goonj.org or can write to us on mail@goonj.org.